Hey, can I? You missed the chip. You ate my hand. Please be nice. Stop moving.
She'll be nice if you give her chips.
True.
No, she won't. She'll attack you now. She's all twitchy. She's joking. She's joking. She bit my whole body. I think that's enough. Did she have rabies or something?
You see her head? It's like... Dang.
She has a crazy eye. I know. It's not even like this. Look at that. Look at that eye. It's a crazy eye. She has good reflexes. Good reflexes. I like your sweater. I like your sweater.
Teaching her bad manners.